Good morning, everyone. It's about 10 in the morning, and we are located in Las Palmas, the Canary Islands, and we are docked in, we are essentially docked right here in town, and a little overcast, but temperature is about 67 degrees, and we're taking in the first sights of the city. And although we should be on a tour right now because of Michelle's accident on the tour the other day, we have decided not to do the tour that requires a lot of walking, and instead we are going to just do a short walk off the ship. We believe there's a shuttle bus into town, and we will find some place to sit and take in the city and just take a nice light day instead of doing a strenuous group tour. So more later. Just a quick note, we decided to get some room service because it's a little late in the day and there is no food service at 10:30 anywhere on the ship. So what we did was, except for coffee at the coffee place and some leftover things from breakfast, so we ordered room service, and this is the pizza. Not much to say about that except I've seen better frozen. And this is the hamburger and french fries, and yeah, this is not 5-star food quality. So just another part of the journey, and wanted to share with everyone. More later. Latest port, and once again they've got this ramp, and instead of making it nice and easy for people to get on and board the ship, they have this very steep angle to get on the boat. Very, very poor. There's our ship. We just walked out of the port. The big shopping center right here, and big shipping port here. And we are making our way into town here. Once again, we're in the Canary Islands, and we're gonna see about maybe walking across. It's only a few blocks to the other side of the island, where appears to be a beach and a promenade along the beach, and we're gonna walk across there and have a lunch. And so yeah, here's where we are, Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. So if you remember, I asked in the previous video where the name Canary Islands come from. And I said, and just remember, it's not from a bird. Well, it comes from dogs. And what it refers to in Latin is cana, which is dogs. And so it was an island of dogs. There were wild dogs roaming. And that's how the islands got their Canary Island name. So there you have it, a little bit of useless information. And yeah, as we journey around, I'll take some more videos. But for now, hasta la bye-bye. On some of the typical streets here. And see some of the architecture of the buildings. Although this is still Spain, the North African influence is seen everywhere, including signage and the people. Luggage, anyone? This is where we are going to walk, and right ahead is the beach at the end of the street, and that's where we're headed. So we're plugging away. How you doing, Mom?
Doing fine.
Trudging away here.
Yep.
We're going slow today so that Mom can take it easy. We're doing our own self-guided tour. So we're going to see what we see. So far it's been interesting. A little city center stuff going on. And directly ahead is the water again, and the beach. So a little more when we reach there. So we have reached the other side of the island. We walked all the way across, and yeah, it's an esplanade, and people hanging out here on the beach. Actually looks like a pretty nice beach. Sand is nice. It's 68 degrees thereabouts. People are swimming. Certainly not our kind of weather for swimming, but it is what it is. And people walking. And so we're gonna walk up here and go around the bend and see what's on this side. And doesn't look like anything interesting in this direction, then we will turn and go this way. It seems to be busier this way anyway. And oh, let me hold on one second. There's a map. Let me go over here to the map, and we can maybe see and understand a little bit more. So this is the beach area, and not quite sure where we are, but I would guess that we're somewhere down in this area, I think. So the curve goes around. Yeah, I would think that we're down in the lower area of this map by the shape of the beach out there with the curve and the curve up here. And so it looks like we'll just, since we're at the bottom, we'll just go towards the busy area up there rather than going further, whatever direction that is. Have no idea whether it's north, south, or east or west. Anyway, more as we venture down this promenade. Apparently walking in the correct direction since we just came upon Starbucks. And next to Starbucks is Burger King. So, yeah, this is a big resort area. You can see all these hotel units all along the beach here. It's actually pretty nice. And it's a little early in the season. So, but I imagine as summer approaches, it probably gets pretty busy. So we just stopped into like a 7-Eleven kind of place and we got something to drink. And taking a little break, and Mom's having an ice cream. How's the ice cream?
It's good.
And this building is, I guess, a local hospital. Pretty interesting, sitting right here. And out here to the beach. Nice place to walk here. It's been nice. And so we'll walk down to the end of this, and then maybe we'll walk through the streets on the way back, look at something different, or we'll find a restaurant and have a bite along the water here first. But yeah, it's kind of nice. I think they're going to have a potential problem up here. As the balcony is going to fall off the building. But doesn't look like it's going to happen today. But it's going to. So bye-bye for now. And more later. Left the Esplanade right down there. And we've decided to walk back the way we came, but not along the beach. Basically, one street in, so we can see some other things. But over here, you can see right there is the beach and the Esplanade. And there's the middle of town, or the main road. And we're walking down this street that actually cut some of the distance we walked off, and go this way and see something different. So as we go, something interesting pops up. We'll be back. Right over there. We're back here in the square here. This park, it's the mall, and right over there is the boat. And this is like an amphitheater kind of thing right here. And over there is a bunch of warships. And we're heading down the dock here and heading back to the boat. And so with that will end our day and our self-guided tour of Gran Canaria. Nice day, nice little walk, and more later from on the ship. Is going over there. Beef is tough. Beef is very tough. How was the soup? Soup was good? Okay. And I got a little selection of sushi and tuna. And this is some cured salmon. And here I got some sweet and sour chicken. The beef, which I'm not going to try because Mom said it's unedible. And a couple of ribs and some egg fried rice. And so That's our selection from the lunch buffet here in Gran Canaria.